Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the functions of the skin, which is also known as jack of all the trades because it has got various functions to perform with. So this is considered as one of the part of the integumentary system as well because it covers the outer covering of the body. The other part which comes under integumentary system is nails and hair apart from skin, which is the protective part of our internal organs. So as I told you, it is also known as jack of all trades as it has got many functions and it is master of none. The first function will be protection. So underlying soft tissues and organs it prevents us from various mechanical injury because due to the presence of keratin layers which is protecting the parts of the body. Next is the prevention of water loss. So here lipids retard evaporation of water from the skin surface, thus guarding against dehydration as well. So skin is the part which protects or prevents water loss as well. Next is the barrier to germs and chemicals. So presence of keratin and tightly locked keratinocytes which prevents the entry of microbes and absorption of poisonous chemicals. So this is where various harmful bacteria, fungus can affect the internal organs of the body, as due to the presence of skin it is preventing us from various harmful entry of microbes into the body. Next is safety against sunburn. So as we know, ultraviolet rays can affect our internal organs and can cause various harmful effects. So here even skin is responsible in the protecting from the sunburn. So which protects against the invisible UV, that is ultraviolet radiation of the sun. So next function is chemical and immunological defense. Lactic acid and fatty acid make the pH acidic and kill or slow down the growth of bacteria and fungi. So as lactic acid and fatty acids making the pH acidic, where various harmful bacteria cannot survive. So even it is acting as a defense. Next function is maintenance of body form. So which maintains the body shape as well. So we know that bones are the parts, or the skeletal system is the part which gives the framework to the body, but completely skin is the part which gives the shape, perfect shape to the body. Next function is thermoregulation. So in summer the cutaneous blood vessels dilate and more blood flow cause loss of heat, and in winter cutaneous blood vessels constrict and less heat is lost from the body. So the term thermoregulation is nothing but which is responsible to maintain the temperature of the body. So as we have discussed how it is maintaining the body temperature in summer as well as winter. Next is excretion and homeostasis. So sweat secreted by sweat glands contains many metabolic wastes like urea, uric acid and ammonia, and even this maintains the homeostasis. So homeostasis is nothing but which maintains the equilibrium of the body. So this helps in keeping the internal environment of the body constant. So it maintains the normal temperature by excreting the sweat, etc. Next function is secretion. So cutaneous glands secrete sebum, sweat, oil, earwax, etc. Next function is sensation. The skin has abundant receptors for touch, heat, cold, pressure, pain, etc. So as the receptors are connected with the skin, we are able to feel the pressure, pain, heat or cold. Next, very important function of the skin is even it is responsible in the synthesis of vitamin D. So capable of producing a precursor cholesterol derivative molecule by UV, that is ultraviolet rays in sunlight. So for the production of vitamin D in our body, the precursor whatever is required, it is from the sunlight and with the help of the skin. The next function is the formation of bones and teeth. So dermis of the skin gives rise to the dermal bones of the skull. Both the dermis and epidermis form the teeth. Next is aid in diagnosis. So rashes and lesions of skin indicate infectious diseases like measles, chickenpox, smallpox, allergy, etc. So yellow color of skin indicates jaundice and pallor indicates anemia, that is pale, shock, etc. also reveals age of the person. So as we see in old age, the wrinkles of skin reveals the person age might be more. So storage of food, subdermal portion of the skin stores the fat, and color, melanin provides color to the skin. So excess the melanin, the dark will be the skin. And even it is responsible in healing of wounds. Regeneration of the epidermis of skin helps in rapid healing of wounds. Next is absorption. The skin can absorb oil, fat soluble vitamins, ointments, etc. through the opening of sweat glands and hair follicles. Next is blood reservoir. The dermis houses an extensive network of blood vessels that carry 8 to 10% of total blood flow in resting adult. So that's it. Thank you very much.